Alright, so I'm here with my corn harvest. I know it looks crazy, but this is the majority of it. There's still maybe 25% or maybe a little bit more left outside that's still drying. But you can just kind of see all the different stuff I got this year. There's some glass gem. Come down here. Bunch more glass gem corn. That's a good one right here. Purple. That's the one I just picked that's really big. There's one. That one was all white for some reason. Not sure why. It's got nice color on it. This one has a lot of striped pieces on it, as you can see. Really, really nice piece there. This one's orange. There's some blue and reds. This is painted mountain corn. What else do we have? Come down a little bit more. There's some good pieces there. And then we come down here. This is the big horse spotted. You can see how similar it looks. I mean, that one looks like it's right off the picture. Same with that one. So this is the big horse spotted section. This one is not sure what that one is, but you can kind of see different colors here. This sort of darker maroon, this one, and this one. This is the Japanese striped corn. It's a Japanese variety that it has stripes on it when it's growing, the actual leaves, not the corn itself, but that one was really cool. And then I've got some of these drying out. That was another big horse spotted. Not exactly sure what that one is. Either that one. Another big horse spotted there. And then up here we have some interesting pieces too, which I'm not exactly sure what these are, but they're kind of a reddish orange. This piece is all black. This is really interesting. I think it's a big horse spotted, but it's all black. It's got a couple white and speckled ones on there, but that one was really cool. I've never seen that. And then those are the last few over there. Another big horse spotted. So that one's pretty cool too. Anyway, so that's kind of the overall picture of what I've gotten this year. Oh wow, look at all these. What I've gotten this year. This is a green corn. It's a Mexican variety from Mexico. It's an ancient corn, and it's basically green, as you can see. What else do I have? I think that's about it overall. This piece was huge. It's enormous for some reason, bigger than all the other ones. I thought this piece was big. So just for size comparison, I thought this was big, and then look at that one. So anyways, that's the harvest so far, and I'll put any updates if I get any other cool stuff. Thanks.